June 6 offers a diverse range of celebrations around the globe, from honouring Queensland's history in Australia, to the national pride of Sweden's National Day. It also encourages health and well-being with National Gardening Exercise Day in the United States, and the importance of eye care and fashion with National Eyewear Day. In Sweden, June 6 is celebrated as the National Day, a day of patriotism and festivity. This day honors two significant events: the election of Gustav Vasa as king in 1523, and the adoption of a new constitution in 1809. In Stockholm, the royal palace opens its doors to the public, offering a glimpse into the royal chambers. Across the country, Swedes enjoy traditional folk music, dance, and an array of Swedish culinary delights, such as herring, meatballs, and pastries. Visitors can immerse themselves in the cultural heritage and joyful atmosphere of this Scandinavian nation. You can find out more details about travel events on June 6 and other days on our website. Follow the links in the description below. June 7 is a day of diverse celebrations, from the historical significance of Norway's Independence Day and Malta's Sette Giugno, to the indulgent delights of National Donut Day and National Chocolate Ice Cream Day. Fans of reality TV can also revel in Love Island Day, celebrating the romantic escapades of their favorite show. In the United States, June 7 is celebrated as National Donut Day, a day dedicated to the beloved sugary treat. Originating in 1938 as a fundraiser for the Salvation Army, this day honors the organization's donut lassies, who served donuts to soldiers during World War I. Today, donut shops across the country, including popular chains like Dunkin' and Krispy Kreme, often offer free donuts to customers. Tourists can indulge in this delicious celebration by visiting famous donut spots in cities like New York, Portland, and Los Angeles, enjoying a variety of flavors and styles. June 8 is a day filled with diverse and meaningful celebrations. From the global significance of World Oceans Day, and the advocacy efforts on International Day of Action for Elephants in Zoos, to the cultural richness of Temotu Province Day, and the cheerful positivity of Upsy Daisy Day, there are numerous ways for travelers to engage and celebrate. Celebrated annually on June 8, World Oceans Day highlights the crucial role that oceans play in our ecosystem, and emphasizes the need to protect and preserve marine environments. Across the globe, numerous events and activities are organized to raise awareness about ocean conservation. In coastal cities and towns, visitors can participate in beach cleanups, educational workshops, and guided tours of marine sanctuaries. Popular destinations, like the Great Barrier Reef in Australia, the Galapagos Islands in Ecuador, and Hawaii, offer unique opportunities to explore vibrant marine life, through snorkeling and diving excursions. World Oceans Day is a reminder of the beauty and importance of our oceans, encouraging travelers to engage in sustainable practices that help protect these vital resources. June 9 offers a diverse array of celebrations that provide travelers with unique experiences and opportunities to connect with local cultures. From the marine conservation efforts of Coral Triangle Day, to the natural beauty and cultural heritage celebrated on Don Young Day in Alaska, there is something for every adventurer. The regional festivities of the Day of La Rioja and the Day of Murcia in Spain offer rich cultural experiences, allowing visitors to immerse themselves in the local traditions and history. June 9 marks Don Young Day in Alaska, honoring the long-serving U.S. representative, who has made significant contributions to the state. On this day, Alaskans celebrate the natural beauty and cultural heritage of their state, with various community events and activities. Tourists visiting Alaska can't take advantage of this special day by exploring the state's stunning landscapes from the majestic Denali National Park to the breathtaking fjords of Kenai Fjords National Park. Outdoor enthusiasts can enjoy hiking, wildlife watching, and fishing in some of the most pristine wilderness areas in the United States. Additionally, visitors can immerse themselves in Alaskan culture by attending local festivals, exploring indigenous art galleries, and learning about the state's rich history and heritage. June 10th is a day brimming with cultural, historical, and thrilling events that cater to a wide range of interests. From the national pride and historical reflections of Portugal Day, to the exhilarating dragon boat races of the Dragon Boat Festival, there is much to explore and celebrate. The Belmont Stakes offers an exciting experience for horse racing enthusiasts, while World Art Nouveau Day provides a feast for the eyes with its celebration of intricate and beautiful design. Portugal Day, celebrated on June 10, is a national holiday that commemorates the death of Luís de Camões, Portugal's greatest poet, whose literary works are considered national treasures. This day is marked by festivities across the country, including parades, concerts, and cultural events. In Lisbon, the capital, there are grand celebrations with military displays and official ceremonies, attended by the President of Portugal. Travelers can immerse themselves in the rich cultural heritage of Portugal by visiting historical landmarks such as the Jerónimos Monastery and Belém Tower, both UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Additionally, the day is perfect for enjoying Portugal's renowned cuisine, including dishes like bacalhau, salted cod, and pastéis de nata, custard tarts. Wine enthusiasts can explore the Douro Valley, famous for its port wine, and experience wine tasting tours in the picturesque vineyards. If you like our content, could you please subscribe this channel, and press the bell icon? This will be of great help to the development of our channel, as we are going to provide you huge amount of interesting information about different places all over the world, and more.